How to start Excel. So you have the spreadsheet made up of cells, and the intersection of column and row is called cell. So how to compute salary. So I'm trying to, then you have the names, you have the salary, you have the basic salary, and also you have the allowance. So if you look at this, you will discover that the title, which is how to compute the salary, we have it on the first cell, A1. So if I click on B1, you will not find it there, and B and C1. You can find it here. So I can enter about 6 names. So I'm trying to enter the name. You discover that as I'm typing it, it's aligning to the left. So 4,000, 6,000, 3,000. So let me try to compute the allowance to be 75% of the basic salary. So if I'm to type the formula, you have the formula bar. You start with equal to multiply by 75 all over 100 divided by 100 multiply by B3, where you can get the B3, then you can drag it down instead of you retyping it. So let's try to adjust the size of the cell, of the column. If you put this sign here, you now drag. I would want to adjust the width. Let me put it at 15. So when it is 15, I stop. I'm dragging the width. I can also adjust this place to 15. Also, I can also adjust also here to 15 to give enough 15th. So let's try to format what we just entered. You can discover that anything letter will be left justify, y number will be right justify. So it's already on the right. If I want to place this thing at the center, you can get the alignment is here. Look at the alignment. This is an alignment column. Let it be at the center. I can also want this one to be at the center, or we want the entire column to be at the center, you click on this and you click on center. So the header, you click on and you click on center. So let's try to bold the heading. You can click on this column, row, the entire row, you click on bold. Then you now increase the size of the font. So that's how to bold. This is the title. Let's increase the size, then bold it, and also I can match the three cells together so that it will be at the center. So match, you can right click to get your match cells, or you get it here, this match cells, match and center. You click on it, it is already at the center. So let's center the edit on the, so, or I leave it where it is. So this is how to start Excel. Simple way to start Excel. Thanks.